Hey everyone, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, we'll learn how to add narration to slides. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. From the top menu, click on the Slideshow tab. Under the Record section, you will see two recording options. Select Record from beginning to start narrating. Once you click it, the recording screen will appear. Here you will see options for your camera, microphone, and slide navigation. You will also find tools like a pen, highlighter, eraser, and laser pointer for annotations. These tools are useful if you are explaining or teaching during the presentation. Now click Record. A countdown will start and the recording will begin. Your narration is now being recorded. You can speak, draw, or mark important points using the available tools. This allows you to explain your slides clearly while recording. That's how you can narrate your PowerPoint slides. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.